make the book what it is. I would like to thank the publisher, Westland Publications, and the editorial team for putting in the hard work as we worked through many drafts and rounds of editing and finally publishing the book. I would also like to thank everyone who's present at the book launch, family, friends, and colleagues, and all our esteemed guests for their valuable time and for making it to the event. The book Indian Renaissance was an ambitious project involving authors from across the globe in different time zones. The Indian Renaissance, the Modi Decade, is one book, and as an author, there are many more books that need to document the scale of transformation in the last decade. When I set out to write the chapter, it was clear that this was not another book on Prime Minister Narendra Modi, but it required a careful analysis of the work set in motion, which would change not just 10 years, but many more years to come. He has effectively dismantled the legacies of the past, the colonial mindset, while ushering in changes which will usher the nation on the path to growth and stability. This book is a well-rounded global perspective on India and on Prime Minister Modi's tenure in office, and set the tone on his future tenures and what it means for India and the world. This book discusses the various facets of development while discussing the challenges in a hugely diverse country as ours. Once again, I would like to thank the chief guest, the guest of honor, and all our guests for the support for the book. Namaste, Jai Hind.
Ladies and gentlemen, this brings us to the culmination of this remarkable evening. We have come together to, of course, launch and celebrate Indian Renaissance, the Modi Decade. On behalf of everyone here, I would like to express our deepest gratitude to Shri Amit Shah, chief guest for the evening. Our guest of honor, Shri Manohar Lal Khattar ji, thank you so much for your valuable time. We truly appreciate it. And your participation, of course, has made the book launch a resounding success. With that, we hope that tonight leaves you inspired, energized, and with a renewed sense of perspective. Please join us in a final round of applause as we bid our esteemed guests and our audience farewell. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. A very good evening.
तो आपको बता दें कि किताब के लॉन्च हो चुकी है और देश के गृह मंत्री अमित शाह जो कार्यक्रम में मौजूद थे, उन्होंने किताब की प्रशंसा करते हुए कई बातों का जिक्र किया। उन्होंने देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी युग की बात की। साथ साथ उन्होंने कहा कि 2014 में 3 दशक के बाद सरकार आई और उन्होंने इस बात का भी जिक्र किया कि संडे गार्डियन के अखबार में एक शख्स ने आर्टिकल लिखा और उस आर्टिकल में इस बात का जिक्र था कि 2014 में जब 3 दशक के बाद स्थिर सरकार आई तो आज़ाद भारत को 15 अगस्त 1947 को तो आज़ादी मिली, लेकिन अंग्रेजियत से सही मायनों में आज़ादी 2014 में मिली। इसके साथ साथ देश के गृहमंत्री अमित शाह ने भी कहा कि विकास के साथ साथ विरासत को भी साथ लेकर चलने की बात देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने की है और उनकी सरकार इस पर अक्षरशः पालन भी कर रही है। वहीं उन्होंने कहा कि ये संकल्प है कि 2014 में से लेकर 2047 के अमृत काल के संकल्प के साथ हम आगे बढ़ चुके हैं और बहुत जल्द हम उस तक पहुंचेंगे और पूरा भी करेंगे।